Good afternoon, everyone. We meet again. Don't forget, don't fail, ask Mikhail. So today's lesson is going to be about how you solve fractional exponent and you solve the variable. So let me share my screen. Here it is. And there are a couple of problems that I want to share with you. The other lesson we learned of how you convert from radical to exponents. Now we're going to solve these equations with fractional exponents. Number one that you always have to know, you always have to raise everything to the power of the reciprocal fraction you see. And whatever you do to the left, you do to the right. So right here, this problem, I have an exponent that is a fraction exponent. I'm going to raise this one to reciprocal of 3/4, which is put it to another power, 4/3. Whatever you do to the left, do to the right. All right, so I'm going to do 4/3. All right, so when you do this one, these two cancel out, and you're left with a itself equal to a to the power of 4/3. Now, you can use the calculator for this one and find the value of a, but I'm not going to use the calculator. I'm going to show you how you find the value of a. The a equal, if I change this one back to radical, remember the number on the bottom, always a degree of the radical, the number on the top is always what? The exponent. So that equals to 8 cubed, 8 to the 4, and the degree is 3. So the a equals to 8 to the 4th power. That means I multiply 8 by itself 4 times. 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. All right, let's move on. The degree is a cube root. A equals, remember, every 8 of these 4 8s is 2 times 2 times 2. So that's 2 times 2 times 2. That takes care of this 8. How about the second 8? All right, let me change the color. That will be another 2 times 2 times 2. How about the third 8? That will be 2 times 2 times 2. And the last 8 also 2 times 2 times 2. Now listen, because it's a cube root, that tells you something. Every 3 2's, you take out 1. So 2 2 2, take out 2. Another 2 2 2, you take out 2. Well, I love the song. We can sing it. 2 2 2, you take out 2. 2 2 2, you take out 2. Okay. Anyway, 2 2 2, you take out 2. Another 2 2 2, you take out 2. That gives you what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 16. So a equals 16. Let's do one more example. Actually, I'm going to do 2 examples here. Look at these 2 examples we have in front of us. What's the difference between 2y negative half and 2y together negative half? The parentheses, excellent. Here, the base or just y. Here, the base is 2y. So this can be 2. And instead of this y, I can put it on the bottom with positive exponent. Y to the half equals to what? To 10. Remember, this 10 is over 1. Oh, you remember what I always say? A fraction equal to fraction. That means reciprocal equals to reciprocal. Mikhail, what do you mean? I mean, you can find the reciprocal of both and they equal each other. So I'm going to flip this and I'm going to flip this. Reciprocal equal to reciprocal. So you have y to the half over 2 equal to 1/10. So I need to get this by itself. I'll multiply both sides by 2. Multiply by 2. The 2 can cancel, and that will equal y to the half equal to 2/10, or very much, you can simplify it as 1/5. Divide by 2, give you 1 and 5, so 1/5. So right now I have y to the half equal 1/5. So what do I do here? I need to get y by itself. reciprocal of the fraction, which is what? The 2. And that will give me y, because this cancel out, equal 1 squared, 5 squared, which is equal 1/25. But if I want to do this one, let's see what we're going to do here. This is here, the entire 2y is raised to a negative exponent. So I'm going to take this entire thing and be 1 over this entire thing, 2y, to the negative half, equals to 10. Remember, this 10 is the same thing as over 1. A fraction equal to fraction, reciprocal equal to reciprocal. That means I can put this one on the top and this in the bottom. That means 2y to the positive half equal to 1/10. What I do next, I'm not allowed to divide by 2 because there's an exponent here. So I can get rid of the exponent by raising everything to the reciprocal of power, which is 2 and 2. That cancel out. That means 2y equal 1/2 square, which is 2y equal to 1/4. I divide both by 2. That 2 cancel out. Then y equal 1/4. Instead of having the fraction, I can do division simple by 2. Then y equal 1/4. Do you remember keep, change, flip? Change, flip equals to 1/8. All right, everyone. I hope you guys like this video. And I hope you understand something new today. I'll see you next in my channel. Take care, everyone.